Right. So I have a new 3ds XL right here, and it has some issues with the L and R buttons. So what I'm gonna do is change them. And you will of course have to change both buttons at the same time, because that's just how the ribbon cable is. So yeah, first thing you're gonna do is unscrew these two screws, and you will need a toolkit, I guess. And I will actually not be using this one, but I will be using the Phillips 1-bit from the iFixit toolkit. And just to take these two off here, well, they were already off. Gonna now open this up, as long as the screw allows. Then take out the battery, take out SD card. There we go. And now I can change to the 00 Phillips bit. Put that in, then remove these two stickers right here, plastic stickers. There we go. And then unscrew all of the screws that you can see on the back here. There are a lot of screws, so just be patient and do not strip these screws. I tried to show that to the camera, and that was a little hard, I guess. Take out all of the screws here. There we go. And now what you're gonna do is tilt from the top here, just tilt it a little, and then push it down, kind of, yeah. And then open it like a book. Make sure to not rip these ribbon cables right here, even though we're going to replace them. And you can put this aside. And then here, we're going to unscrew these two screws right here. One screw and another screw for the first side, and then just lift this up. Boom. Just lifted by the cable. And where did that go? There we go. This is it. Now you can just prepare this. Just make sure this is all the way in. And this needs to be in here. Let's see here. Needs to be in here. A little hard to show, but you just have to push it in. There we go. So the spring is right there. Then you need new ones. I sell these on my website. If you don't have them already, I'll link my website. I'll just link these, yeah, straight up. And then, let's see here, which one was it that I replaced first? This one, right? Yes. So now just put this in. Right in here, just don't force it, make sure everything fits. Make sure that the button doesn't jump out again. So yeah, just make sure everything here fits. There we go. Then you can take this plastic piece here and put it over here on one side, just like this, and the bottom one under, just like this. There we go. And now you can just put this in. Just make sure that the buttons do not fall out. Just do it very carefully and slowly, so you make sure that everything is in place here. And this wants to hop out again. You can also contact me on my website if you want me to do this for you, because it's not that easy. And then screw these in. Just don't over tighten them. There we go. That's one side done. Now onto the next one. unscrew the 2 screws. This side is a little more open, so it's a little easier, I guess. There we go. And take this out, just like that. Make sure this metal piece right here does not fall out. This one right here, as you can see. Then let's see here. This is the new part. So make sure this is under here. And where am I mistaken? Is this supposed to be over? Oops. Let's see here. Is it supposed to be over? Yes. Just like this. Prepare it like this, as you can see. It needs to be just like this. A little hard to show on camera here. Prepare the piece just like this. And then make sure that these buttons are prepared. And just slide it in. Boom. This side is also always a little easier. There we go. And now put in the 2 screws. Trust me, this looks a lot easier than it really is, but with patience and a little time, you can't mess it up, really. There we go. Both sides are fixed. Now I can just put these buttons aside. And now onto here. Now this is a little hard since these cables are stiff and brand new. So what you're gonna do is bend this without over extending it, I guess. Don't do it too hard. And then just plug it in here. Boom. Then open it like a book. Then take the second cable here and put it into its connector, which is right here, as you can see. So just put it in. There we go, and do it carefully. Take your time. Yeah, this is a little harder. Boom. But now it's in, as you can see. Both connectors are in. Then just carefully make sure everything goes into place. And then you start from the bottom. Just close it from the bottom and close it to the top. And as you can see here, it doesn't want to close from here. So don't force it. It's because the cable's plastic piece doesn't want to go. As you can see, it's stiff. So you just tilt it a little so it goes to the side, and then boom, you can close it. There we go. Because that plastic piece is really annoying, and don't force it or you may break something, I guess. Now screw all of the screws in again. Go. Yeah, my hand is on the entire camera. Nice. But there we go. Now you can put in the battery again, put in the SD card, then the 2 plastic bits or stickers. Where's the second one? Let me see here. Where did I put you? They're black and small, so they're a little hard to see, I guess. And yeah, it was plastered to my hand, of course. That I actually guessed that would happen. That usually happens with those. And now put on the cover, start from the bottom again and go onto the top. Screw it in. Now test if they work. So power on. And let's see here. R, L, Z, R, Z, L. Works perfectly. So yeah, that's how you do that. Thank you guys for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.